Hello students. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, read, update and delete a teacher. So you will be having a basic understanding how to use MVC controller and views to perform the CRUD operations related to an entity. So let's start with this. I'm going to create first of all I will create a new controller teachers controller, and create an index page which will list down all the teachers available in the database. So to start this, let's go to Solution Explorer and in the controllers add a new controller. Add controller. I said teachers controller. So here we have a simple teachers controller which have index action method, but it won't be having any views here. So let's right click here and add a view. So this is simple index. Alright, now we are going to attach a model with it. We can simply select the model from here, and we have to specify what class we are going to bind with it. It actually adds the add model directive and the relevant namespace class with it. So I can select it from here, or I can leave it blank and I will do it myself. So let's add a view. So this is simple view. Okay, now let's just create some HTML for this. I'm going to create a table. In which I will display all the teachers available in the database. Class table. Okay, we have a table row. We have table headers. For teacher name, for teacher's email. Okay, add the add model directive as model. Sorry. We will be getting an INumerable, that is a list of data access dot start teacher. So we will be getting this list. In this table, first we have our first table row, and now I will iterate and display all the teachers in the past list. So here we have a table row. We have TD, and in this TD I'm going to use HTML helper at HTML dot display for, and it will display whatever the value is available in the specified property. Model item, let's name it as model item arrow. You can name it anything like XYZ model. I'm saying it model item. Model item arrow item dot teacher name. Then I copy paste it, and this is email. So but we have to pass it the list of teachers. So what I'm going to do is okay, let's just copy it from here. Okay, this will add using data access reference over here. Now I get a list of, I say, I enumerable teachers is equal to db dot teachers dot to list, and pass it to the view. Okay, now just run it and check what it is going to display us. Okay, as that is a teacher controller, so to navigate to teachers controller and index action method, I have to write teachers slash index. Alright, so this is displaying me the teacher name. For some reason this is not under here, and teacher's email address. So let's just fix this HTML tr. Oh, my bad, this must be in one row. There is no need for this another row. You can see this is one tr for header. So for displaying each item in the database, we use this one. I mean, all the properties we are going to show will be displayed inside this. So let's just refresh it. Now you can see that under the teacher name there is teacher, under the email there is email. Okay, for this is being populated, this black top bar is being populated from our layout. If I want to change it, I can use a shortcut called control plus comma, and I can type underscore layout, and this will give me this. Okay, this is application name. I edit it and I name it to as gradebook. You can see there is an html.action link HTML helper is being used, and this will display the name. This is the action method, and this is the controller for this. We can add in the top bar here, we can add a new menu for, I say, teachers, and it will I have to specify the action method here. I say index, this is this one, index, and this is my controller. I specify the controller here. Okay, now you can see in the layout file, this is my ASP.NET application. You can change it to anything. I write it my name here, Faisal Ghaffar. Okay, let's just refresh it. Alright, this is changed as we have changed in our layout. This is now displays gradebook, and there is another option available in the menu. So let's just say when the application starts, you are here. You don't have to type in /teacher/index by yourself. You just click here and it will display the list. So next, what I want to do is complete the CRUD operations, and so to do this I want to definitely add a new teacher, view the details of this teacher, view and delete this teacher. So to do this, let's just add options here to edit details and delete this teacher. To do this, I will go to my index page and add some new HTML here. I'll say I add a p tag here, and in this p tag I am going to use an HTML.action link. I say at HTML.action link, and in this action link I will specify the text to show. I say create new and specify the action name. Action name is create, and this action name by default will be used in the teacher controller if I don't specify the controller. So this is for the create action method. And one thing more, we have to, for each table division, we have to display in the htr action link for edit details and delete. So let's just add another td here and html.action link, and the text would be added, and action method would also be added, and I'm going to pass a new parameter to it, and the parameter is anonymous object id is equal to item dot teacher id, and I simply display a pipe sign. This is a pipe sign, this is text, this has nothing to do with code. This is a pipe sign in HTML, and I copy this again, and I create action link for details. I will name the action method as details, and now this one for delete, I will name the action method also as delete, and I am passing the same parameter to these functions. So if I now, okay, one thing more, as you can see, this is one table row, and in this table row there are two items in the header. This is one table row, and now there are 3 table divisions. So to keep the HTML balanced, I simply add an empty table header here. Let's just refresh it. Okay, now you can see we have this create new action link, this edit action link, details action link, and details and delete action link. So I'm going to stop this video here, and in the next video I will go through the create new, then edit, then details, then delete. I hope this one is pretty clear. Thank you.